And that's with two children, Milana and Keith. Milana is 6 and Keith is 16. And
Hold on. How do you spell your daughter's name? M-A, slow, M-A-L-A-U-N? Say it. Milan. Pretty. Okay, and she's 6? Okay, go ahead, Ms. Bowditch.
Our pleaded guilty, the records are accurate. At one time, it was an application issue, I believe, with display, and there was evidence involved. She believes that she has conquered all those problems, and Milana and Keith should be having regular attendance now.
All right.
That's your mess.
Say it again. What about him?
Yeah.
Oh, Heather, see Heather.
All right, so did you discuss your rights with Mr. Bowditch? You understand those rights and the options they give you? You understand the possible penalty for this charge? Are you pleading guilty to this charge? Are you doing so freely and voluntarily? How many days?
Over 20.
You satisfied?
Satisfied.
I'll accept your plea, ma'am. So for 12 months, I'm going to delay sentence. That means you don't go out and commit any new crimes and no further attendance problems for the kids. At the end of that time period, if no further attendance problems and you don't commit any crimes, the case is dismissed. Understood? You're nodding your head yes, but your face is saying I'm confused. I mean, commit a crime. Go out and rob a bank, violates this term. Go out and punch somebody in the nose, it violates this delayed sentence. Crimes, misdemeanors or felonies. I didn't think it was a problem. Yeah. Any questions? You're all set. Good luck.
Are my 5 witnesses out there hugging with my defendant that this one out there?
I hope so.
I don't really think you want to ask questions on that.
I just saw a hug fest. I can't tell who's hugging. And is it Arnett Busher or Busher Arnett? It's B-A-A-B, Annette Butcher. Butcher, come on up. Mr. Bowditch.
Could you tell me your name? Your Honor, today is the date and time for a violation. Hearing. I've met with Ms. Butcher. It involves a young lady named Alexandra. Alexandra. She is 16. And once again, the issues I believe were logically medical. And I believe, according to Samantha, that problem has been cured.
Good. Did you go over your rights with Mr. Bowditch? You understand your rights and the options they give you? You understand the possible penalty for the charge? Understanding all of this, are you pleading guilty? Freely and voluntarily? How many days?
Over 20.
I'll accept the plea. Health issues, she over the hump now? She's on the mend?
Yeah, so she's a flu a couple of times.
Okay. I'm sorry.
David's birthday a couple of days, so it's hopefully no more, but there was 4.
Okay. What grade she in? Okay. How's she doing academically?
With all the
Right. Right.
but
Okay.
they all kind of have this.
Okay. Well, I hope next year is better health wise. Okay. All right. So you understand how this works. Okay. You're all set then. You're welcome so much.
Oh, wow, the picture with him and his dad working together. He's a kid that we do. Yeah, and I gave him a book.
Yes, it's on it.
Yeah. I don't think sometimes here last time. Last part maybe. I don't think he was here last part maybe either.
But he came upstairs and he didn't think he wanted to go to war, and he brought 15 people with him. And I'm like, oh my gosh, it's just a civil.
Well, I don't blame him for being upset. because he doesn't know what's going on. You know, really, that time in school.
But I don't know what kind of interview he did on the board either.
Why didn't anybody get it?
He could have had a better attitude. I mean, he was okay with left.
Well, didn't they get a ticket in the mail?
I don't know how to do that. I'm assuming that.
Juvenile thing is so weird. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't.
I don't know.
Or does, yeah, because you would think so, 'cause- or do we just get it and then we send them notes, which isn't fair. They should be getting a copy of what.
Yeah. So then I'm gonna look into that.
And there's
We'll
also,
ask Kate. We'll ask Kate.
and there's also two sides of the story, because we did have a victim with parents here,
Yeah.
so there's somebody.
And that's why I broke it down the way I did. It's like, Dad,
You say,
inappropriate touching. I mean, it could have been battery touching. So this is easier to
and if there was
do.
nothing to it, I wouldn't have had victims. So.
Right, exactly.
Well,
How are you? Did you guys meet an attorney today? No. You guys are here to see the judge. Yeah. Okay, do you see a prosecutor? No, he's writing it up right now. She's payment. Okay.
This Abigail, just have a seat.
The report says some kid tripped her when she walked in line. She was gone. Even up the side head a couple times. Said, good for you, girl. Oh no, she got to take it.
I know, so.
I'm gonna get some water. So how do we pull up comments? You probably shouldn't show me this.
We started over again.
Oh, we're not.
I do have all the comments from
Well,
earlier.
And we're not live streaming kids.
Right, so I have to shut it down again.
Juvenile, right? Juvenile hearing? Yeah. Then here's you guys are going to hold, what it sounds like to me, that you don't know this, you're gonna have a discussion with the judge. You're just gonna come to an agreement, correct? Yeah. So, right, they have, all three, you come up over here, just have a seat right there, please. Last name? I got the file. It's juvenile, right? Yeah. Okay. As soon as we start getting brothers all on, yes.
We would also explain why he's a little bit on the screen.
Yeah.
Is prosecutor coming in?
Yeah, she's talking over here. Voting just end over there. It looks like we're down to maybe.
This courtroom hearing focuses on two separate school attendance cases involving parents who pleaded guilty after their children's repeated absences from school. Rather than treating the cases as purely punitive, the judge took time to understand the circumstances behind the attendance issues. In the first case, the mother explained that her children had experienced health-related challenges, but that those problems had been resolved and their attendance had significantly improved. After confirming that she understood her rights and was entering her guilty plea voluntarily, the judge accepted the plea but chose to delay sentencing for 12 months. He explained that if she committed no new crimes and her children's attendance remained satisfactory during that period, the case would be dismissed. The judge carefully clarified what would violate the agreement, using simple examples to ensure she fully understood the conditions. In the second case, another parent appeared on behalf of her 16-year-old daughter, whose absences were also linked to ongoing medical issues. After learning that the teenager's health was improving and that she was getting back on track academically, the judge accepted the guilty plea and again emphasized the importance of continued progress. Throughout the hearing, the judge balanced accountability with compassion, recognizing that the families had faced genuine medical difficulties while still stressing their legal responsibility to ensure regular school attendance. The hearing concluded with informal discussions among court staff about juvenile procedures and case administration, highlighting the court's broader effort to resolve these matters fairly while encouraging families to move forward and avoid future attendance problems.